Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles, the channel where we simplify the world of crypto, NFTs, blockchain, and everything crypto related. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest trends and insights in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for every crypto enthusiast: the best crypto wallets of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, choosing the right wallet is critical for keeping your assets safe and secure. In this video, we'll break down the top wallets for 2025, covering everything from hardware wallets to software solutions. Let's get started. First, let's quickly go over what a crypto wallet is. Simply put, a crypto wallet is a tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It doesn't actually store your crypto. It stores the private keys that give you access to your crypto assets on the blockchain. Now, there are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, while cold wallets are offline and are considered more secure. Depending on your needs, one might be better suited for you than the other. Let's take a look at the top wallets you should consider in 2025. First up, we have the Ledger Nano X. One of the most trusted hardware wallets, the Ledger Nano X offers military-grade security by storing your private keys offline. This wallet supports over 1,500 cryptocurrencies and comes with Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to connect it to your mobile device. If you're looking for ultimate security and long-term storage, this is the wallet to go for. Next, we have the Trezor Model T. Trezor is another leader in hardware wallets, and the Model T offers top-tier security, a touchscreen for easy navigation, and support for over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. If you want a wallet that's simple to use but doesn't sacrifice on security, this is a solid choice. For those who prefer software wallets, Exodus is a fantastic option. This desktop and mobile wallet boasts an incredibly user-friendly interface, making it perfect for beginners. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and even includes an integrated exchange for swapping assets on the go. While it's not as secure as a hardware wallet, it's a great choice for users who need convenience and easy access to their crypto. MetaMask is one of the most popular software wallets for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It allows you to interact with decentralized applications, or dApps, directly from your browser or mobile device. If you're into DeFi, NFTs, or simply holding Ethereum, MetaMask should be on your radar. Trust Wallet is another excellent mobile option that supports over 160 cryptocurrencies, including NFTs. It's a decentralized wallet, meaning you have complete control over your keys. Trust Wallet also integrates with decentralized exchanges, allowing you to trade directly from the app. If you're looking for a mobile wallet that's feature-rich and easy to use, Trust Wallet is a great pick. For beginners, Coinbase Wallet is a solid choice. Unlike the Coinbase Exchange app, this wallet gives you full control over your private keys. It supports a variety of tokens and coins, and is seamlessly integrated with the Coinbase Exchange. If you're already using Coinbase to buy and sell crypto, this is a no-brainer for easy storage and transactions. For advanced users who want maximum security, the Cold Card Wallet is worth considering. This Bitcoin-only hardware wallet is designed with security in mind, featuring a dedicated keypad and multi-signature support. It's perfect for those who prioritize security over all else. Now that we've looked at the best wallets for 2025, let's go over a few factors to consider when choosing your wallet. Security. If you're holding a significant amount of crypto, a hardware wallet is usually the safest option. Ease of use. Software wallets like Exodus or Trust Wallet are great for beginners. Supported cryptocurrencies. Make sure the wallet supports the coins or tokens you plan to hold. Backup and recovery options. Ensure the wallet offers a secure way to back up and recover your assets. So, there you have it. These are the best crypto wallets to use in 2025, each catering to different types of users. Whether you're after security, convenience, or a seamless experience with decentralized apps, there's a wallet on this list for you. Which wallet are you planning to use? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe in the crypto space.